my Cheez-Its.
Guess what? When we go to Florida, guess who's gonna be eating your Cheez-Its?
Who?
The ducks.
Oh my God, look at this.
Uncle Milk got a pet duck. He likes to feed all the time.
They ran away.
And ducks are a lot bigger
Oh
than
my
pigeons.
God, they're back.
I was like, yeah, eat
Look
your
at
Cheez-Its,
that
man.
thing.
Eat your Cheez-Its, boy.
Look at that thing. Wait, seriously.
You can have the Cheez-Its.
Eat them.
Go ahead, eat it.
Eat them. I'm recording this for YouTube. Eat it. Eat the Cheez-Its. Oh my God. Cheez-Its. All right, you're just gonna leave. All right. Oh my God. Wait, I wonder. Oh my God. Do they bite you?
No.
Oh my God. Just look at the Cheez-Its slowly breaking. Oh my God. So if we step on the Cheez-Its, what are they gonna do?
They're gonna still eat the little pieces.
Oh my God. Who's Yuki's her now? Who is that? Please stop. I'm about to say, where's your twin go? Go ahead, finish eating. Oh my God. Okay. So weird. All right, we're gonna. Oh my God! Look at that little bird. Is it gonna eat Cheez-Its too?
If they let them get any.
Oh nah. All right.
Is it
Oh
big?
my God! They're near your car.
If the big ones let them get any, yeah.
They're near your car. Wait, what are they gonna do with the Cheez-Its? Aren't Cheez-Its bad for ducks? Hi. Do you see me standing right here? See me standing right here? Hello. All right. Pop, I think you might want to close the door. That's good. Look at them eating my Cheez-Its. Can you stop here? What?
Your mommy and grandma getting on my nerves. Now I gotta go bathroom.
Seriously, dude. Oh my God. They're eating it so fast. OMG. Do you not see this? Everyone's going to walk by and be like, why are they eating the cheese? Oh my gosh. This is what happened. Something that this will never get away from my foot. Can I report this to the news and show everyone these two birds just eating my Cheez-Its? Okay, that little bird's just like, can I have some?
He hungry too.
Yeah, well, can y'all stop eating these Cheez-Its? Come on, eat the last ones. So now I can stop recording. Can you eat the last ones? So y'all can get away from Pop out. You can close my door once they're done. Oh my God, he keeps on eating them.
They gonna eat till they can't eat no more.
But when there's none left, they can't eat no more.
That's right.
Oh my God.
Come on, baby bird, get you a little piece.
Get you a little piece. Eat that one. Eat that. He didn't ran off. Wait, where'd he go? Where'd your twin go? Dude, where'd your twin go? You better watch out for that car. Where'd your twin go? Your twin can't. Your twin quit. You can have all of them. I guess. Oh, he's under the car again. Oh my God. What? Why do you keep eating all these Cheez-Its?
Because they're hungry.
I would not eat Cheez-Its off the floor like that.
Well, they're animals. Animals.
Oh my God.
Animals do that. It's okay.
What was that for? Can you close my door before they start flying in?
They won't fly in.
No, I want you to close my door. Oh my God. That's good. It's good.
I thought you finished recording?
No.
No, the little one go get some now.
Yay! Oh wait, no, he just went under the car. I think he stopped. He was Come on, eat the last two so I can stop recording. Please. Oh my God, don't fly in. Please. We have no food in here for you. Wait, can they hear me? When I said no, they might actually fly in here. I'm scared. Please don't. Please don't. Oh my God, they're getting too close.
Eat the big pieces.
Eat the pieces.
Eat the big pieces.
Honk your horn, please. Can y'all eat the pieces so I can stop recording this video? Oh my God. Excuse me. Are y'all done? Goodbye. Wait, there's actually one more cheese.
There's only 2 pieces left.
Oh, there's 2? I thought there was only 1. Eat the Cheez-Its. Eat it. Oh my God, there's a seagull. Eat the Cheez-Its. Eat it. Eat the Cheez-Its. Okay.
Okay. We gotta go back in.
Can
I gotta
you-
go bathroom.
Can you like close this? All right, that was a good video.